Okay, so a 24 centimeter. Okay, the question is a 24 centimeter wire has to cut into two pieces, and it has to it will be made a square. One piece, a square will be made by one piece, a square of side x, and from another piece you will make a circle. Clear? So suppose this is the 24 centimeter length. It's one kind of optimization problem. You have to optimize it. Clear? So the question says you will take a suppose you cut this thing here into two pieces, and from this shape, from this length of wire, you made a square. Clear? Which should be x centimeter length. So the side is x, so that means x, this is x, this is x, and this is x. And from this wire you have to make a circle. So this is the circle, and the radius is r, that's given. So the question is, find an expression of r in terms of x. Clear? So the radius is r. Okay, so from this piece of the wire you made a square, and from this piece of the wire you made a circle of radius r. So do you know what will be the length of this circle? The length, the perimeter of this circle? What will be the length of this circle? If this wire is 24 centimeter, okay, it's 2 pi r, but in terms of x, this wire is 24 centimeter, isn't it? This wire is total 24 centimeter. So what will be the length of this one? Think. 4x plus 2 pi r equals to 24. MashaAllah, may Allah bless your knowledge. Yeah, 4x plus 2 pi r, that means you have taken x centimeter, 4x centimeter from this piece. Clear? So what is left? It will be 24 minus 4x, isn't it? 24 minus 4x. That equal to 2 pi r, isn't it? Because this length is 24 minus 4x. That is equal to 2 pi r, isn't it? Did you understand? So now 2 pi r will be equal to 24 minus 4x. Clear? 24 minus 4x. So just make the subject r. It will be r equal, because the question says make the expression r. So it will be 24 minus 4x divided by 2 pi. So if you take common 2 from the numerator, it will be 12 minus 2x by 2 pi. So 2 cancel, so it will be only 12 minus 2x by pi. Now the next part says, and it's one of the classic problem, it's very old problem, even though we used to do that. So you're lucky, you are doing the same thing what we used to do. So what's the next part of the question? The question says find the value of x so that the area becomes minimum. The area of the square and the area of the circle is minimum. Find the value of x, choose the length of x for which the total area becomes minimum, isn't it? That means what? By the hearing the word maximum or minimum, you can understand that you have to do the dA by dx. Clear? So the total area should be maximum. Total area of the square, minimum. So total area of the square and the circle should be minimum. Clear? That means take the total area. The question says find the value of x. Find x for which a square and circle area is minimum. Is minimum. So the total area is A, that will be equal to the square area plus the circle area. So square area is what? X square plus circle area. What will be the circle area? Pi r square. Pi r square. Pi r square. So now x square plus pi r square. What is the value of r? It's 12 minus 2 pi divided by pi. Yeah, 12 minus 2x divided by pi whole square. Clear? So it will be x square plus pi times 12 minus 2x whole square by pi square. Isn't it? So it will be pi square because there is a square, r square. So x square plus 12 minus 2x whole square by pi. Clear? By pi, because pi square and pi will be cancelled and it will be, pi will remain. Clear? So the area should be minimum, that means dA by dx has to be equal to 0. So dA by dx, so dA by dx will be, if you differentiate x square, it will be 2x plus. So listen girls, this is the chain rule, because 12 minus 2x whole square, it's the chain rule, you have to follow the chain rule, and the pi is just a constant value, so keep the pi as it is, so 1 by pi is there. Clear? Times, so if you differentiate this one, it will be 2 times 12 minus 2x to the power 2 minus 1, then times, you have to differentiate the minus 2x, it will be minus 2. Clear? So 2x plus 2 to the 4, that will be and 2 minus 2 to 4, so it's minus 4 by pi times 12 minus 2x. Clear? Clear? And to be maximum or minimum, the dA by dx has to be equal to 0. But the question says minimum, so dA by dx is 0. That means 2x minus 4 by pi times 12 minus 2x is equal to 0. So it will be 2x minus, or if I take the minus here, it will be 4 by pi 12 minus 2x. Here, so it will be, if you multiply the cross multiply the pi, it will be 2 pi x equal to 48 minus 8x. Clear? So make the subject x, so it will be 2 pi x plus 8x equal to 48. So if you make the subject x, it will be 2 pi plus 8 will be equal to 48. So x will be equal to 48 by 2 pi plus 8. You can more simplify it. How? Okay, I know, but you can more simplify it. How? No. Why differentiation? You can simplify it more. How? Simplify it more.
Oh, 2.
Yeah, you can talk. Yeah, you can take 2 common. So it will be, if you take 2 common from the denominator, it will be pi plus 4. Then it's 48. Then it will be what? 24 by pi plus 4. So that's the value. That will be equal to 3 point, what did you say? 3.36. So 3.36 centimeter. So the if x is 3.36, you can make the smallest, like you can have the smallest area. Here, if you take x equal to 3.36, you will have the smallest area. Clear? Okay, now if I tell you to like verify it, whether the x will give you the 3.36 will give you the maximum value or minimum value, verify it. How are you going to verify? Take the second derivative. So d square a by dx square. So dA by dx is what? 2x minus 4 by pi 12 minus 2x. Clear? So if you differentiate it, 2x, if you differentiate 2x, it will be 2 minus 4 by pi. Just treat it as a number. So 4 by pi is there. If you differentiate 12, it will be 0. Minus, if you differentiate 2x, it will be 2. So that will be equal to 2 plus minus minus a plus 8 by pi, which is greater than 0. That means concave up or concave down? Concave up. So it's concave up. That means the area is, for x equal to 3.36 centimeter, the area is minimum.